Hello, my name is Evan Stanfield, and I am an intern here with the Conservation Technology Information Center, CTIC. I've been working on the Conservation Connector for the past couple months, and I'm here to help you guys today to go ahead and log in there and self-register either service providers or program listings. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Awesome. When you first go to connector.ag, you will either land on this screen or you will land on this screen. Either way, you'll need to navigate to the login screen. So please go ahead and click that button if you're not already there in the top right. We'll go ahead and hit register, and you'll go ahead and fill in these fields right here. So this just covers some basic information. Make sure to note your username and password as you're doing this so you can make sure you log back in and have all that good to go. For today, I've actually already gone ahead and created an account, so I will be logging in now. But after you go ahead and do that, you will have to confirm with your email. So make sure to have that email mailbox ready to go as well. So once you're on this screen, you'll notice that you have some extra buttons up here. So in addition to what you already had available, you also have manage programs, manage providers, and update profile. Update profile is if you want to change any information that you've entered in already. But for the providers and programs, that's where we will be focusing today. So let's go ahead and look at program listing. So if I was interested in entering a new program, I would navigate to this page and then click add program, and then go ahead and fill in this information. You can see we've broken it up into a couple categories. So there's general information, which covers description, name, website. There's contacts included as a part of this, and then what incentives look like. There's criteria or eligibility to participate, so required commodities, practice changes, etc. And then all the way down to enrollment, reporting, and payment details, which really covers up a lot of the nitty-gritty pieces of a program. So once you go ahead and have this ready to go, meet me in our next step. All right, and with a little movie magic, you can see that I have actually gone ahead and filled this in. I've used Farmers for Soil Health as our sample program today. And you'll see that I filled in pretty much every field. So this looks like making sure that everything is complete, using complete sentences and full narratives. Some text boxes are all right to be left empty. Like you can see, I did not fill this one in here, for example, if the drop-down menus are self-explanatory enough. But I do urge to make sure to add as much detail as possible to ensure that people are getting a full picture of your programs as you're going ahead and getting this entered in. So once you're comfortable and feel that the information that you have provided accurately reflects your program, we'll go ahead and click create here. And you'll see that this is now populated in here under the status of needs internal review. So what this means is that somebody here on the CTIC team will need to go in there, give it a thumbs up, make sure it's a real person and a real program, and then that will go ahead and be pushed to the public part of our database. But for now, this will sit in needs internal review. So you'll see that there's some options here. If you want to go through and edit your program, you can press this little pencil button right here. And that is one way to go ahead and do that. This one will actually take you directly to the link for the program. And this one in the middle here is actually to clone or duplicate a program. So if you were entering in, let's say, several county level programs that are similar and maybe just have different names or whatever it may be, you'll be able to use this function, scroll all the way down here, and then clone a program to make that a little bit easier for you. Obviously, today I'm just going to press the back button because we're doing this as an example, but that is just one way to go ahead and get this started. So next up, we'll look at providers, and you can see that this is what we are looking at, pretty much the same thing, and we'll go ahead and we will add a new provider. So again, general information like name, address, social media links and websites, what geography do you operate in, contacts and services. So I'll go ahead and fill this in and I'll meet up with you guys in just 1 second. You can see that I've gone ahead and entered this information. I've actually used a business from one of our amazing cover crop coaches through the Farmers for Soil Health program, and you'll go ahead and get all this entered in. So again, it's those same fields that we discussed earlier. You can even include certifications and with direct links there if applicable, all the way down to practices and crops that you serve. So same thing, we'll go here and press submit. And you'll see, again, it goes to that needs internal review status. Somebody at CTIC team will look at that, give it a thumbs up, and then it will be listed live. So again, the buttons here are the same. If you need to make any changes, please press that little pencil button. If you want to duplicate the program, press that button in the middle. And then that last one, the link, will actually take you outside to that directly to that website. So that is just a quick start guide today on how to go ahead and jump in there and enter in service providers or programs. And you'll see that both of those are right here. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. Thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.